Namaskar दोस्तों. Today is 16th June 2021. Welcome to my channel Trade Plan Nifty. This channel is my journey in stock market. In this specific video, on daily basis, I disclose my trade plan for Nifty for the next trading session, review my today's trade, and share my learning and MTM at the end of the video. I hope these discussions will add value to your trade setup and trading ideas. So before we get into Lalaji, let's have a look into global market. So when we look into global market, we see that entire market is currently waiting for some signal from Fed's two-day meeting, which will get concluded today. So I don't see any news is coming out as of now, and we see that S&P 500 is almost running flat as compared to yesterday. We see some movement which is hardly around 2 point movement, so nothing much to say here. And when we look into US government 10 bond yield, it is also almost flat. When we look into dollar index, that is also almost flat. So market is definitely waiting to get some clues from Fed in terms of what is their policy indication. Although there is a sign that they may not increase the interest rate as of now, but they are waiting on how the Fed is evaluating the recent increase in inflation numbers in US. So global market as of now is not ready to give any signal. So that is where we are. So that is one very big handicap we have today. So when we look into Lalaji, what we see into Lalaji is that Lalaji on weekly basis has formed one red candle, or almost about to form a red candle, and it is definitely above 820 and all the moving average. So definitely in uptrend and overstretch scenario. So I will be not surprised that on weekly basis we see some consolidation here till the time this 8 bar moving average will come up, and will then give a market a next push. But as of now, on weekly basis, Lalaji is in uptrend. Now, when we look into daily chart, what we see is that on daily chart, Lalaji today has had a red bar and has taken a support on 8 bar moving average, which is bottom of this st- strong trend in which it is currently running. So if you see this 8 bar moving average, it has touched 8 bar on 20th May. After 20th May, it touched on 9th June, 10th June, 14th June, and today. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 trading session in almost a month time. So uh, if you draw a channel here, this may become like a bottom of that channel. So we are at a very critical junction here. That let's see from here where the market goes, where the Lalaji moves, whether in upward or in the downward direction. But as of now, what we see is that Lalaji has taken support on 8 bar, and it is definitely in uptrend. And now somewhere at one corner of a weekly chart or weekly pivots. On 15-minute chart, when we see that Lalaji has closed today below 50, below 8, below 20, and most significantly below 200 bar moving average. So here definitely Lalaji is in downtrend. But now Lalaji on weekly base has a very strong support at 15725, which is closer to weekly pivot, which is 15734, and this is weekly L3. So 15725 becomes a very good support for market. If 15725 is gone, then Lalaji will definitely have a good support, very strong support at 15,564, which is 564 and 600 range, which is my black and blue magical line. Uh, I use a simple trade setup. You know the game. Check out my link at the top to if you want to know more about my trade setup. But what I mean to say here is that 15,600 is a very good support for a market. So if 15,564 is broken, then only we can say that market is in the control of bears. Till then, uh, market will have a very, you can always look for a dip towards 600 for a buy. uh, but as of now 15,564 is a very strong support. And then on now let's see what market profile is saying. So when we look into market profile, we see that tomorrow's CPR is below today's CPR. So this confirms that the market profile trend is bearish. Now it lot depends upon where the market will open tomorrow. So as of now, when we look into SGX is at 15803, which is just above the pivot and just above my blue magical line. So this is too early to comment on this, but I think maybe tomorrow one more update video is required for trade plan. I'll try to make it. But as of now, the theory what will follow is that if the open is above pivot, which is at 15796, then it is buy on dip market, because market is always already at one corner of pivot. So any opening above 15797 is buy on dip. And if for any reason market opens below pivot, which is at 15796, then I would not take a short position for tomorrow, but I would wait for a market to come towards my blue magical line, which is at 15564, which is also S3 for tomorrow, and look for a price reversal here for taking an entry for a buy on dip. So that is my trade plan for tomorrow. So for tomorrow, the critical levels are, the pivot is at 15797, the L3 is 15730, and L4 is 15692. So somewhere here, 15692, somewhere here, somewhere close to S2. So any dip towards 15651 could be bought. Any dip towards 15564 should be bought for, and that could be a, if I get these levels, then I will definitely going to enter multiple quantity with a stop loss just below at 15,500, and then see where Lalaji is flying from there. So it's like you, if you want to hit a six, you go on back foot. So I think this is that game which Lalaji is playing. Lalaji is on back foot and ready to hit six. Now let's see what happened today. So when we look into today's market, today we entered market with a clear understanding that today is going to be a trend day, uh, and I was already carrying one PE home. So at open we could find a green bar. I did not do anything here. On this red bar also I did not do anything. But when this no, on this red bar somewhere here I entered one another lot, and then this PE position carried forward. And then on this at S3, on this extreme reversal setup, so if you see here, there is a reversal pattern in my, which I have discussed in my educational playlist, Engage Reversal Setup 2. So there is an extreme reversal setup 2 where we have one big red bar. The body is more than 50. Closing percentage is almost close to around 80%, and then a green bar. So here I exited and happened at S3. So here I exited my both the position and I entered two lot of C here, and then market moved ahead, and then again we found another extreme reversal setup here, which was this candle, and here also I entered one lot. Then this was also a very good 200 bar moving average and extreme reversal setup happening here. So combination is a very good entry. And I then the market turned, and market moved up. And then when this red bar happened at S2, I again entered one more lot, and I kept a stop loss just below 8 bar moving average for 3 lot, and then I exited all my 3 lots here. And then when this red bar happened, I exited one more CE lot here, and then at the end I took one more CE position, and I'm carrying that CE position home. So this is my 15,900 PE position where I had around 5,000 rupees profit, and this is Nifty CE position one lot which I'm carrying home. Today I also made an entry on Hero MotoCorp, Reliance, and HDFC Bank. So let's see I'm looking for a buy on dip, and let's see how it works out for me tomorrow. So, what's the learning today? So, learning for me today is that when you definitely I'm not going to carry more than one position home. So, there is a lot size discipline which I'm going to maintain. Only thing is that in this move, I almost had a 4,500 rupees profit here, which almost became nil because I couldn't manage the position nicely. That is, my exit was not good. So this exactly happened at around 2:15, and I've seen this. So after 2 o'clock, um, I should always look forward to book profit on my intraday position as fast as possible. So that is the learning. So when this red bar happened, I should have kept my stop loss below S2 somewhere here, and I should have exited all my position here. Then at least I would have made at least 3,000 rupees additional profit here. So there is a profit which I lost. So the idea is that after 2 o'clock, look forward, look forward to exit my intraday position. I hope these discussions are adding value to your trade setup and trading ideas. It all depends upon where the market is going to open tomorrow, and I'm hoping that market has come to one corner, and now it will start its journey towards 16,000. I hope these discussions are adding value to your trade setup and trading ideas. Welcome to all my new followers. Stay healthy, wear a mask. Jai Hind.